Paid traffic methods to build your email list. You might think that it does not make economic sense to pay for traffic generation to your squeeze page, but you need to take the long-term view here. Each person that subscribes to your email list has a value. Earlier, we told you that the experts suggest that this is a $1 per month, so if you can spend less than $1 for each sign-up, then you will break even in the first month. Although there are many paid advertising methods, we're going to recommend 4 to you here, as we believe that they provide the best opportunity for you to make a good return. Of course, you can try other methods if you want to. 1. Pay-per-click PPC advertising. If you are not familiar with PPC ads, they appear on the first page of the search results in Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines. This is also called search marketing. In order to use PPC ads, you will need to conduct keyword research and then add related keyword terms to your ad campaigns. The 2 most popular PPC ad platforms are 1. Google Ads, 2. Microsoft Ads. Google is the largest search engine by far, and if you use their PPC ads, you are likely to get a lot more traffic to your landing page. However, Google Ads tend to be the most expensive. Microsoft Ads are worth trying because they have lower rates, and you can still reach a lot of people that use the Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines. If you're going to use Google Ads, then you will need to create a special landing page that has your email opt-in form included in it. Google will not accept a standard squeeze page, as this will violate their terms and conditions. Microsoft are not as choosy as Google, and you may be able to get away with your standard squeeze page here. When you enter your keywords into your PPC campaign, you can adjust the bids for those keywords. Both Google and Microsoft will want you to pay the highest price per click, but you can make a lower bid. If your ad is good, you will not have to be the first ad on the search results page. It is a good idea to use PPC ads to test the conversion rate of your landing pages. You can drive 100 clicks to your page and see how many of your visitors join your email list. If the numbers are low, then you can tweak your page to improve conversions. Split testing is also possible with PPC ads. 2. Social media ads. All of the major social networks have an advertising feature that you can use to drive traffic to your landing page. We recommend that you start by using Facebook ads and possibly Instagram ads. The advantage of using Facebook and Instagram ads is that you can specifically target your audience by demographics. Social media ads tend to be cheaper than PPC ads. You can drive a lot of traffic to your landing pages using them. Again, you are going to have to create a special landing page which contains your email opt-in with these ads. It is very unlikely that they will accept a standard squeeze page. 3. Native ads. Native ads appear on higher traffic websites such as CNN.com and other news sites. You will also see them on Yahoo.com and in many other places. The great thing about native ads is that they don't look like ads. They blend in well with the other content on the website they are placed on. It is a good idea to use native ads if you are in a niche where there is high demand, such as weight loss or make money online. You cannot target specific demographics or use keywords with native ads. So, they need to be in niches that appeal to a lot of people. Here, you will need to create a special landing page too. 4. Solo ads. Solo ads are available in some niches such as make money online, health and fitness, particularly weight loss, and personal development. The idea here is that you purchase an ad from someone that already has a large number of subscribers in your niche. A solo ad goes out in the form of an email from the list owner. Often, the list owner will write the ad for you as they know their subscribers the best and will know what kind of message will resonate with them. You can find solo ad sellers at udemy.com, Facebook, and forums such as the Warrior Forum. Always check the reviews written by other customers to ensure that the solo ad seller is reputable. Expect to pay between 50 cents and $1 per click with solo ads. In the final video, we will discuss the best practices you need to follow to build your email list from scratch.